And here we are at the reviewing area, and here's the box again, because I wanted to show y'all the entire box here.
So, yeah, like I said, we was over there at NerdCon, and I seen this for $25, so we bought it for $25, and that is the name of it, Gun Sniper. So,
yes. And has wind up motor and other languages.
Yeah.
And there's the Zoid, and this was took $25 when we picked this up at NerdCon.
Right, and as y'all can see, it is a Hasbro product, and it is a 172 scale?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
And there's that. And here's the top here. And on the sides here. And like the box says, it is a wind-up kit. And in other words, this comes with a little motor, wind-up motor thing. Mm-hmm. And here's the back here. An action figure model kit, and it shows you everything that it can do. And on the bottom there, in this corner, you just have a lot of words and things and barcodes. And that is it.
So that is it, and guess what, y'all? There it is, right there. Just zoom out right quick. That's everything that whole blob right here is what we're going to be making that Zoid out of.
Right.
So I'm definitely going to help Colton in different areas to get this built. I seen the little pilot earlier. That's a little bitty guy. But anyway.
Yep. There's the pilot there. And there's not really a lot on the instructions here.
So we're going to put the instructions over here in this corner to help us get settled in. And yeah, this is going to be something. But we're going to have fun doing it. So anyway, so Colton's got his little X-Acto knife. Do not cut yourself. Please don't cut yourself. Okay, there you go.
Yes.
Yeah, please don't cut yourself. That'd be very bad. For them, for us, for everybody. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So, now he's going to pull it on out. We got to fight the plastic off. Hey, there we go.
There we go.
And the plastic come off. Okay.
Okay. So now let's get started.
So
the first thing that we need is
D26, D27, wherever the D's at, D26 and D27. Okay, it looks like this right here is the tail. So we need to go ahead and get out the tail.
Yes.
D20. Yes, D18. Wait, C18, C17. That's exactly what they are. That's the tail.
Yes.
And that one right there. Now, does that one... Wait. Hold on. Put it back up there. Let me see some... Wait, no. Do you see D or C?
This is C here.
Yes. Okay. So... Alright, hold on.
The next thing we need is D.
D, 26. Oh, these two. We need these two. Yes, those two.
And it even tells you the ladder of the sprue.
Right.
Right here. Excuse me.
So, okay.
So, we need these two here.
Right, those two right there, 22 and 23. D22 and D23. Okay. Okay. Now, the next one is D26 and D27 right here.
Right here.
Yep. D26 and D27. Okay.
Okay.
That one. Yep. And that one. Now, what we need to do now is find, that's all we need for this section to put it together. But what we need is, yes, the motor.
Which is...
Right there, that black. Yep.
Right here.
Yep.
And
okay.
From what I can see, you need it facing like this.
Yes.
So that way, well, I need to shave off these safety nubs.
Okay.
And always be very careful.
We've seen any more safety nubs? There's a little one right there. And there's one right there. And then there's one right there. Okay.
Now.
Okay. That's the way right there. And, yep.
You want this like this.
Yes.
And then, but before you attach these together, we need two of these, which is going to form the tail.
Yes. So anyway, while he's doing that, I hope that y'all have been okay. Y'all have been taking care of yourselves. It's winter time. Things are, I don't know where y'all are at, but down here it's going to be a warm Christmas. Not hot, but just, you know, where we're at. Like I said, it snows every once in a while down here, but we ain't going to have a white Christmas this year.
we're gonna
Okay. That's where it goes, I bet. Right there. Yes, look at this one right here. Yes.
Okay.
That's how it goes. So
Okay. From this tab here.
yes. And then
Take one of these and attach it on.
that's it. Just like that.
Okay, you want it facing like this so this tab can feed into this hole here. But of course, gotta get that safety nub off.
Alright. Okay. That goes right in there. It should just press in. It did.
Yep, there we go.
Okay. Yep. Then that goes. Then the motor. Ooh. Okay. Now, here's what we can do. Put this to the side. Build up the other one. The other side. Alright, now build up the other side. Just like you did. So, yep. So he's got to get these little nubs off. So what he's doing is he's just building up both sides right now. Building up the frame. So I hope y'all are doing okay. Let's see here. It needs to drop down some. No. Ooh. Well. Okay. Is that it? That.
Yeah. From what the instructions is saying.
Okay. Okay.
And now, I guess we can now attach this.
Wait, do you need to put the tail in? No. Okay.
No.
It goes on the outside. Okay. Here we go. So now he's going to put on the other tail and they should just pinch in together. Yes. There it is.
There we go.
Okay. Alright, show them what we have so far. Okay.
So here we have what's gonna be the tail. The tail part. And I think this is gonna be
the body.
The body.
Yes, and we got the motor. The black piece that you see set in there, that is the motor that we put in there. It is a wind-up motor, so I don't know. This thing should be able to walk, but we'll see. So
now we need B and E.
B and E. I don't know what that is.
Here's E here.
Okay. Okay. Then this goes into the frame. Then the outer frame. Oh, look at that. Ain't that nice?
I like to do that sometimes.
Here we go.
Now, for B is
B7.
right here.
That should be it right there. So, to give y'all a quick story while he's doing that, Christmas is a kind of hard time for me. For y'all who don't know, his grandpa was born on Christmas Day. And he's no longer with us, so but still, it's a special time for us. Yeah, so when Christmas comes around, I just kind of got mixed emotions sometimes, but I got to pull myself back together on Christmas Day, because I was close to Colton's grandpa, and learned a lot of things from him. And so Colton, for a little while, got to experience and have some time with Papa. So he's thankful for that. And so so I'm just glad that he got to experience, time with his grandpa.
And now we need these things here.
Things like caps.
And we only need 2 of these.
Okay. Before you take them off, let's go and put it together. Then we can take the cap. This way we won't have a whole mess of stuff just laying around. Okay. Now this is the next part. So now, need to see how this lines up on the body. Okay.
Okay. So okay. I think Okay. For this side, you want to attach it onto this pin to that tiny little hole there.
So that's really small.
And then take this and attach it over it.
Yes, over it, and then
And it should. There we go. It should all snap together really well.
I think, Colton's gonna be like, I ain't never. Alright.
Sorry.
He's got to stretch right quick, y'all. Hold on.
Yes.
I think once we get this done, it should really fall in place. I don't know if you're still lined up over there on that. There it is. You're lined up now. All right. Let me see here, bud. Let me see here. Okay. There we go.
There we go.
Either it just worked or I just broke it. One of the two. I don't know. Something happened. Knowing me, I probably broke it. I just broke it right in half. No, I don't know. It's snapped in. It feels like it's yeah. Okay, that's the mechanism right there. Okay.
And but
All right.
but before I continue on, I gotta go pee really bad.
Okay. He'll be right back here in a minute, y'all. Just hold on.